Hello, welcome to Eduba. Eduba is a real-time chat application for communicating in groups about different discussion topics and then asking AI to respond to those discussions or asking AI to generate documents based on those discussions. Let's go ahead and create a new user. We'll call this user Joel. Enter your email, a password, and then register. Immediately you will be sent to the main dashboard. Here, a main discussion window, and then it has a sidebar of discussions. These discussions are all global, and as you create a new discussion or someone else creates a discussion, you will be able to see all of the discussions. If this sidebar is covering part of your discussion's chat, all you need to do is minimize it and expand it again. Let me describe the discussion window. So here there is a discussion ID. This is an ID that you can share with other people for them to immediately navigate to your discussion. Otherwise, they will have to find it amongst this list. Next, in line, you have this dropdown. This dropdown allows you to select from different agents that can respond in your discussion. When you click Ask Agent, they will look at the current discussion and they will insert their response. The next thing is that there are papers. Papers are either there because somebody had already generated them, or sometimes they have not been generated yet. You can either create your document yourself, which you will enter in the content of the document, and that will start the document, or you can ask the agent to start the document. You can send messages in the discussion using this text box and clicking send. Let's go through a use case. So click new discussion, going to the beach. All right. People can come to this discussion. You can say something like, I like going to the beach. Then let's log out and log in as a different user. David can see the beach. You can say, we should go sometime. Okay. What do you think are good things to do at the beach? Okay. Let's go ahead and log in as Joel. Also, if you don't like the color of a name, all you need to do is click it, and it will randomly pick a new color. If you refresh the page, the colors are reset. So don't worry too much about the colors, just pick ones that are easy to see. Let's see, Joel will say, I like going in water, but it is a bit cold. Let's ask the AI what it could to do at the beach. Okay. Now, Joel is going to go ahead and invoke the Prime Chat document agent. So he's going to ask the agent. The agent's going to look at this chat. He's going to say building sandcastles, playing beach volleyball. That sounds good. let's log in as David. David's going to say something like, let's make a document with a list of things we would need to do to be able to do each of those things. Okay. Now David thinks that we should use the document to generate. So we'll ask the document agent, and you can see that it created a list of beach activities with each of the activities in the list. David sees that document and he thinks that we should actually add to each of those items and include a plan for how to be able to do each of those. Okay, he will ask the agent Okay, so David decided that let's add more detail to each activity so that we make sure to bring the necessary items to do those activities. Go ahead and ask the document agent to update the document. Okay, so building sandcastles, we'll need shovel, bucket, water. Okay, this all looks good. All right, let's go ahead and log in as Joel. Let's go to the beach. Okay, list of beach activities. Joel sees that. He sees the list of things. Right. Joel lets me know that he will bring those items when we go. So you can see here we had a little bit of a discussion between us. We were able to ask the Prime AI agent. We were able to make a document with those list of things. When I asked what items do we need to bring for each of those activities, there was a little bit of confusion from the AI. It thought that it added items needed for beach activities, but it did not. So I went ahead and I added a little bit more detail to my question so that it knew what to do. And then I asked the document agent to make that modification. It went ahead and added a detailed beach activities section. Okay, so now that we have all of this, we can also copy this to clipboard. We can then open up something like Notepad, and we can paste that document. You can see here that it's in Markdown, so the first bullet is the list of beach activities, and then you can see the detailed beach activities section is a subsection, and it has all of the necessary things to go to the beach and do those activities. So I hope this helped you sort of understand the purpose of Eduba and sort of give you an idea of what you can do with a real-time chat application combined with the ability to ask the agent to talk about the discussion and also ask another dedicated agent about creating documents based on the chat. Thank you. I hope you use Eduba.